Hey, it's great to see you this week. I am getting an early jump start on Mother's Day gift shopping, and I wanted to be able to help you do the same. Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday, May 14th. I figure giving you like a couple of weeks to maybe explore some ideas and items, and of course allow for shipping time, would be very beneficial. There are some things that I have gotten my mother throughout the years, and she's going to share some of her favorites with you, and I will share my personal favorite that I got from Styles. But in the meantime, I really wanted to scour the internet, see what's out there, try to find some things that maybe covered a broad swath of items. You know, everybody's mom is a little bit different, so I'm hoping that I found something in this collection that speaks to you and will speak to your mother. And I really wanted to be mindful of price point as always. So the first thing that I'm going to start with, we always think about getting flowers for mom on Mother's Day, and flowers are beautiful. I love flowers. As you know, I love fresh flowers, but they have a shelf life. And so wouldn't it be neat if you could get mom flowers that would sort of live on forever? Well, now you can, and on top of it, it's jewelry. Take a look at these magnificent earrings that I found on Amazon. They are multicolored yellow gold pressed flower teardrop earrings. Beautiful. They feature these dried flowers that are preserved in resin and then surrounded by gold that's on top of a silver setting. You can get them in silver if you like silver. I just kind of like the gold with the flower. They're grown in the fields of Mexico. These tiny little flowers are gathered by hand and then they're preserved permanently in resin. They've got fish book backings, and the price point on these is just $38.30. So I think they're really reasonable, and that way you're giving mom flowers for Mother's Day that will live on forever. And how stunning are those earrings? Next on my list for mom is Scentbird, the fragrance subscription company, where for $17 a month, you get to pick 3 different fragrances that will arrive a 30-day supply, either perfume or cologne, all different kinds of brand. You've got your high-end like Prada and Gucci. You also have your indie labels, but it's great, and you select what you want to try. And so instead of committing to one fragrance, which as we know can cost hundreds of dollars, this way you can kind of sample them out and see what you like. So for me, you guys know that I like sort of vanilla inspired fragrances, a little woodsy, sometimes floral. So the fragrances that I went with, and let me just show you how it works. It's in this little container, and then it pops out, and this is a 30-day supply, and then it snaps in, and you just spray and pump. This is this is commodity gold. I'm loving. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. I find it to be kind of sexy. It's got the vanilla going along with some amber and sandalwood. The other one that I try is Get a Room, Confessions of a Rebel. Also a very sexy one as well, but this has some mandarin in it, some smooth woods, liquid vanilla, clary sage oil, and a little forbidden apple. And then on the more floral side, I went with Gucci Bloom, and you can really smell the jasmine. So if you love jasmine, this is probably the most potent fragrance out of them all. It's got tuberose and a little Rangoon creeper. It's beautiful, it's floral. Very, very spring-like, so I think they're absolutely beautiful. Also, I'm really grateful to Scentbird for their love and support of my channel and my audience. They are giving you 55% off your first subscription, and all you've got to do is use the promo code Dominique. What a deal. That means it's just a little over $7 for your first month. And again, it's available in USA and Canada. So Scentbird, thank you so very much for the promo code for my audience. I love the subscription, and I think your mama will too. Next on my list is another great Amazon find that's very, very affordable and beautiful, and it's a colored wine glass set. And if mom doesn't drink wine, then this can also be really pretty on a table for water. Take a look at this. So this is 6 large 12-ounce glasses, Italian style, tall stemmed for red and white wine, water dinner glasses. They're colorful and beautiful for $69.95. They're hand-blown, lead-free crystal Bordeaux wine glasses made with the highest quality Italian style Great for festive occasions, especially on Mother's Day. I just thought they were so beautiful and such a lovely addition. And for that price point, you know, that's pretty good for 6 wine glasses. So, and I love the fact that they're all different colors, and table settings to me are just so fun. And if you like to play with those, I think that would be really, really neat for Mama. Next up on the list, let's think about her comfort. And, you know, we all know our mother's shoe size, and I think shopping for really comfortable, cool, stylish sneakers for Mom is a great way to go. And I found a pair, you know, I just do either all black or all white because I find it goes with everything. So take a look at this one that I've pulled up on Amazon for you. They're by Adidas. They're women's Cloud Foam Pure 2.0 running shoe for just $66.70. Again, comes in white and black, highly, highly rated on Amazon. They have this kind of stretchy mesh shoe with extra cushioning for all-day comfort, that mesh upper for breathability, the Cloud Foam midsole and outsole for that step-in comfort. I really love that little slight platform there for added height. They say for a tight fit, just size down. For a loose fit, go one size up. But this kind of is a no-brainer to me. I know my mother loves when she finds a great pair of walking shoes, especially a pair that she can kind of pair with normal clothing. That's a win. And sometimes with all of those different colorful and striped shoes, you can't. They're just strictly for workout. These, I think, can cross over, which is why they made the list. Next up, for the mom who likes to spend time in the kitchen and especially entertaining, you cannot go wrong with a charcuterie board. In fact, when I moved into this apartment, one of the first things that I did was host a few friends here, and we sort of did a round robin of different apartments. It's like, come to my place, come check out my apartment, and then let's go to see your apartment and go see your apartment. And I was the first one to kick it off, and I realized I didn't have a nice charcuterie board. So I wanted to pull one up for you that is handcrafted and that I think is absolutely stunning. Again, on Amazon. And what's neat about this is it's personalized for $119. The colors and the dimensions in this wood are exquisite. It's an olive wood cutting board with epoxy resin. The epoxy resin is coated by hand, and they say due to the nature of the live edge, the coloring, the wood rings, knots of the olive wood is going to vary. Might result in some darker areas in the engraving, but I think that's cool. It just makes it a little bit more arty to me. They say hand wash, food safe. I say absolutely stunning, and what a win for Mother's Day, especially if you personalize it. So now let's say you want to do that on steroids. Take a look at this one. Granted, it's not personalized, but it may offer a little bit more of the serving space for entertaining large families and all of that. Again, it's a charcuterie board set on Amazon. This is Farmrica Extra Large Cheese Board with 2 drawers, bamboo cheese tray serving board for $47.99. Now this one has 2 hidden storing drawers underneath the cheese board. There's 1 drawer for a cheese knife set and 1 for an extra serving plate. Both of those drawers can be fully taken out, and then they've got rubber feet beneath to give stability to that charcuterie board and elevate it for easy pickup. Hand wash, mild soap, warm water, and voila, you are serving a massive family for any kind of special occasion. So those 2 charcuterie boards, like a no-brainer for me. And if mom has one or maybe needs an upgrade, these are some nice places to go ahead and look. Now, the next one on my list is from my friend Courtney, who during COVID, as we all did, we had to do our own manicures, pedicures, and things like that. And so she discovered this gel manicure set that you can do at home that she found on Amazon as well. She said it worked and she loves it. So this is the Ab Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit with the UV light. Comes with 8 pastel color, no white base, and a top coat. It's an all-in-one manicure with all the tools needed for $39.99. Again, those 8 lovely colors, 9 toxin-free ingredient gel polish with low odor, no harsh ingredients or adhesives that lead to damaged nails. They say it's safe for eyes and hands. 36-watt high-power lamp to dry all kinds of gel nail polish. It's lightweight. You can even take it with you, portable. If mom doesn't like to spend the money at the nail salon or prefers to do nails at home, this might be a really great alternative for her to bump up her mani and how it's looking. And as we all know, gel manicures and pedicures just last a lot longer. And of course, this one is proven to be safe. So I think it's great. Courtney raved about it. She said it was a win-win. So it makes the Mother's Day list. Okay, so what do you say now we check in with Audrey and see what she thinks have been some of her best Mother's Day gifts to receive from moi?
The best Mother's Day gift that I ever got was you.
Oh,
That was the best from the beginning. And year by year, they just get better and better.
So what's so great about the clock?
What is so great about the clock is the person that gave it to me and the thoughtfulness that was behind the giving, which I just thought was incredible. And not only that, I think everybody should have a clock like this.
I would agree with you.
I think it's absolutely unusual. It is great. I don't need a calendar. I can just walk over to the clock and say, hey, what is today? And it tells me today is Sunday. And then it tells me the date and the time. I think it's absolutely genius. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then you gave me something that was so sweet and so unique and so lovable. And I would like to go put it on right now.
Yeah, show everybody.
So that everybody can see.
Yes, let's go.
Okay. You have to...
Yes. I love that. That's okay.
But you can all see
It says, love you,
what
Mama.
it says.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yep.
And I think this is absolutely beautiful. And anybody that sees it says the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
They're just so impressed. They think it's so beautiful, and it is.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I think anything personalized is always a sweet touch. You know, whether it's stationery or a piece of jewelry or anything.
Can I show you something else?
Yeah, what you got? Oh yeah, I did that too. We have look, we have matching. That's right. That's right. I did that one too.
Favorite ring.
Yeah, guess what?
And
I have one.
how do you
too.
like that?
How do you like them apples? Isn't that something?
Isn't
I
it?
love these. And
I
you know
think
what?
it's great.
They're both by the same company, and I love when you can personalize something. So
Yes, so do I.
We both have the
So
same
do I.
ring.
Right.
It just says something different. But there you go. It's an awesome, awesome Mother's Day gift.
It is. Absolutely. I love it.
Happy Mother's Day.
And I love you.
And I love you. I love you. I love you, little one.
Everybody asks me, how does she get so tall?
Well, I have big heels on too.
No, and not only that, but you know what my answer is?
I willed it.
She wanted to be.
I know.
You willed it.
I willed
exactly right.
There you go.
I'm a believer in that.
Me too.
Yes.
I am. It's called manifestation.
That is exactly right.
Right. And last on my list, of course, something Styles gave me that I adore. He knows my love of coffee and my love of flowers. So he combined it and he got me a personalized coffee mug, which I thought was so, so sweet. I use this every morning. I have other coffee mugs, but I just rinse and repeat because it's just special, and I feel like I've got my kiddo with me when I have this mug. It says on the back Anthropology, so that's where he got it. I don't know if they still have it, but I put a link to Amazon. They've got some personalized floral coffee mugs as well, if this is something that speaks to mom, but it certainly spoke to me, and I am just so grateful to I don't know, you want to be a good gift giver, right? You want to give something that touches somebody and is really used over and over and is meaningful and purposeful in their lives and just reminds them of you. So I hope these gifts hit on any of those, chords, and these have been wins for me, and I know that there are some in this list. Shh, don't tell Audrey that I might be getting her. She's going to watch this video. Who am I kidding? Oh, and just a friendly reminder, don't forget to use the promo code Dominique for 55% off your first month at Scentbird for Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Happy early Mother's Day. Make it wonderful. I know that there are many of you watching who don't have a mom anymore, but you're a mom, so I hope that you are celebrated in a beautiful way. I hope that you have a mother figure in your life, or somebody who is a mother who's special to you, that you can shower her with love on that day. I just think there's something wonderful about giving to any mom, even if we don't have our earthly mothers. So I just want to extend my heart to you and encourage you to find a way to make this day special, and maybe to take the sting out of it, because I know that can be tough. But anyway, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next Thursday at 1 o'clock.